Morning.
Morning. Camera nearly fell off the cake cabinet there.
What, because I spoke too loud?
No, it just wobbled and the camera nearly fell off.
God.
Great.
That wouldn't be a good start to the week.
It wouldn't, but it's not a very good start to the week because it's blooming horrible again.
It's grey,
Yeah.
drab, raining, cold. It's not windy though.
No, it's not windy. Oh, that's one saving grace. I mean, we're moaning about the weather, but it's something to moan about. It really is horrible.
I think it's because you kind of think it's going to be warm when you get to this point in the year and you're at least going to see a bit of blue sky, but we've literally seen none.
Yesterday was sunny, but it was cold yesterday.
Cold in the wind.
Yeah, very cold.
But anyway, we can't complain. We've had a few customers.
We can't complain, but we are anyway.
We've had a few customers. Not so many, a bit quiet today. There's a few to come, I know, because people have pre-ordered some cakes, so they'll be in later.
What's that big cake anyway, with the big raspberries on the top?
So it's a coconut and raspberry cake, which is lovely, really nice. I thought it'd be nice for a nice summer's day. But
looks nice. You saw the bananas the other week, so yes. What did you make out of those?
I'm not going to let you say it because I get it wrong every time. So it's a banana Kinder
Bueno.
I cannot say it. It doesn't matter how many times I try, I just can't say that. But anyway, it's that.
It's a Kinder Bueno.
If I say it is, anyway. Anyway, they look lovely. Well, I love Kinder chocolate, so they will be lovely. And we sold quite a few of those already, actually.
Yeah, I bet you have. Energy balls. They look good, don't they?
That's because somebody made them.
Almond croissants.
Baked with tart.
Ooh, that's my absolute favourite. Millionaires. Flapjack. Pastel donatas and cinnamon buns.
And cheese scones.
Cheese scones. I don't think I've missed anything out. So what's happening tomorrow? Tomorrow
we've got an event at the farm shop called Gone Potty, which is a great name. So it's a gardening event. There's somebody that's going to be selling special pots.
Like the hand-thrown terracotta.
Proper job.
Really nice, yeah.
There's somebody doing some willow making, I believe. And there's also going to be a planting workshop by a lovely lady called Louise, she does quite a lot of different things here, doesn't she? She's got her own landscaping business and she does little workshops too, which is great. So it's going to be a good day, I think. And I don't think it's going to rain till later on tomorrow, so hopefully it'll encourage people out. So I think we might be quiet today, but busy tomorrow. We'll make up for tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah, so...
Oh. Lee's just been in, dropped off some lovely flowers. They look really nice. We can't see them from here. They're really, really nice. I'll show you. They are beautiful. They smell divine. If you buy any, oh, they smell so lovely. It's Pete, my friend Pete.
Yeah, there's another one I've got as well.
And in this life we all know that the starting is the hardest part. Do you believe me? Or even see me as I fall apart? You don't walk, you levitate. I tried my best to imitate, but it's hard to leave the ground when you're stuck staring down.
Where's the cake? What are you gonna have? What are you gonna have? This one? Yeah. Are you sure? Because you love the brownie. Are you sure? I think it's gonna be a bit hard for you.
Yeah, it's 1 o'clock Sunday. We're all finished up for the weekend.
It's been a really nice weekend.
Yeah, it's been really nice. It's been really busy. Too busy to film too much, really, to show much on video, but that's not such a bad thing, is it, really, when you're running a business? So
well, yesterday we had the event, didn't we?
Yeah.
And did we show you the weather? The weather was atrocious. It was like a huge fog, wasn't there? Mist, and everything was wet and damp, and didn't think anyone was going to come, and they did. They all came, and the pot sale that we had at the farm shop, that went really well. And yeah, today the sun's come out. It was forecast for rain, but it's been lovely all day.
Yeah,
so much milder.
Yeah. Fortunately, you got it the wrong way round this time round.
Makes such a difference. Lovely when loads of people are sat down. I love that. That's a good vibe.
Yeah. Lots of nice comments as well.
Yeah.
What did we do this week? We had a really busy sort of week, didn't we?
Yeah, we did.
Yeah. It's really hard to buy a decent quality trestle table that just folds up. So I took a drive to Burford. I saw a lovely old sort of ex-military trestle table for sale, and it's got a solid wooden top on it, and you can put, well, I'll show you a picture actually. So we can put the freezer, because we're doing iced lattes again now, so we can put the freezer and the microwave on it, and it doesn't buckle like these cheap plastic tables that you can buy now. Cheap plastic trestle tables that fold in half as well. They're convenient, but
they're not heavy duty enough for what we need to, but we need something that folds down all the time to be able to put it away. So
we need to fold the legs down. So
this one's perfect.
Yeah, it's brilliant. So we sorted that out. Real nice guy that sold it to me, and he said, "Careful, the tortoise will run out." I absolutely, really regret not taking my camera, because this guy had a couple of tortoises in his yard that were running around, and I thought they walked really slow, but these things, they were shifting. Yeah. So what else are we going to do? We're going to go to,
I don't know, tomorrow we were going to go up the hill for a big long walk up a very steep hill, but the forecast looks shocking, so I think we're going to have to wake up and see whether it's like today and it's actually okay or not. I think
forecast for rain, so
I think we might fit in some lunch somewhere.
And also we're out on Wednesday, so that's the whole day gone, so we'll probably end up, if it's tipping it down, we'll probably end up doing some work tomorrow to try and cover some ground. Got lots of baking to do. Got a very busy weekend coming up.
We've got an exciting weekend coming up.
Yeah.
Because this next Sunday is our first event back at the Suffolk Street Market in Cheltenham that we told you about before. We love going there, so this is the first one of the year, isn't it?
Yeah.
So that's really lovely. It's a good vibe there. We may not get to film that much because it is really busy from the start to the finish.
It's busy, and it's a tradition for it to rain, but it's always a really good event, and yeah, it's always brilliant there. Always have a really good time there. Lovely people running it as well.
Yeah, it's
lovely
great.
Customers.
Good.
Yeah, Wednesday we're going to go to Cardiff, which should be included in this video. So we're going to go and see our son in Cardiff, spend a day with him, because we miss him dreadfully, don't we?
We really do.
And yeah, that'd be really great to see him and catch up on a few things. So I think we're up to speed now.
Yeah, we're going to tidy up and go home, get sorted.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we'll see you next week.
No, we'll see you Wednesday.
Oh, we'll see you Wednesday.
And include it in on the video.
Okay, see you Wednesday.
See you next.
We might see you tomorrow if we record what we do tomorrow.
Yeah, if we record, well, we'll just see what we do. If we do something interesting,
we'll show you.
We'll show you. That's if you find it interesting, of course.
I hope so.
All right.
Okay. Bye till whenever.
Well, yeah, bye till tomorrow, Wednesday. This is from the school, isn't it? The new school, I reckon. Morning, birdie.
Morning.
It's Monday morning. Our day off. Look at all this traffic.
Oh, I'm glad I'm not in that.
No.
That's the beauty of working a weekend, though.
It is, yeah.
There's drawbacks to working every weekend, but there's also
Yeah.
The advantages to it that you don't have to sit in the Monday morning queue of traffic.
And that Monday morning feeling isn't with us anymore, is it?
Sit in that every day.
The road we're in currently was just a little country lane until just a couple of years ago, and they built a massive estate all the way over the back there. And they've also, because of the new houses, they've also built this, a new school. You would have been surprised to see more than 2 or 3 cars go by every minute until like literally a couple of years ago. So it's really changed the area now. This is what concerns me a little bit, is they haven't really put a decent sized road in to compensate for all those hundreds of houses that have now been built over there. Must be a complete nightmare trying to get in and out, and apparently the school's only got 1 year of attendance, so you can see the size of that truck compared to the size of the road. Somebody's in their element.
Look what I found. I didn't know they did that here.
By the way, we're just the other side of the crossing, so that was the new houses that are just over hit there. And we've suddenly walked into a completely different dimension, so this is kind of like what that was like before. And like I say, oh dear, Tracy's in her element now. Look. So this morning we're going to walk over the hill that's behind us somewhere. It's very steep and it's a bit of a workout. We've got to be fast because it's forecast to
rain.
Yeah.
Again.
Hence the coats. I have to probably take this off in a minute. It'll be absolutely cooking. So let's get walking.
Yeah. We're up really early, aren't we, today? It wasn't intentional, but the cat decided it was breakfast time at 5 o'clock this morning, so yeah, she's got into a bit of a thing, hasn't she, about that. So yeah, so we're up really early, but that's okay. We're gonna walk to the hill behind and then walk back down the other side.
Yeah, it sounds like a Kate Bush song. We're running up that hill.
I don't know if we're running, and then we're going to try and get some food on the way back.
Yeah, sort of incorporate it all into a little adventure. We'll probably have to do a little bit of work this afternoon as well to catch up for the Wednesday we're going to have off. Oh, it's so lovely here.
So quiet, it's nice. The birds, it's lovely.
Right,
let's go.
Let's take you on a walk.
This is Cricket's farm. Before COVID, they actually did events here, and we were going to come and do some, well, that we hoped to, but then with COVID, they don't seem to have ever followed it up. Do they? They've never done events
No,
since.
they've never done any since. They did a really good one because they had barns inside and the vehicles parked outside, didn't they? Street food stuff.
Yeah, we came to one, didn't we?
Yeah, it was really good.
But it snowed and we got stuck in the snow. We had to be pushed out.
Yeah.
But it was a good, it's a lovely place. But now my eye's focusing on the pigs that are over there. Like, oh.
There used to be alpacas in that field, but they may be just up around the corner. There's also deer kept here as well. Good morning.
We'll run next time.
Listen to that.
Been there some years, haven't they?
They have been there some years, yeah. This is where the terrain's going to get interesting, because it goes up that direction very, very steeply, and gorgeous views at the top though.
Call it off and don't look back. Take me off this lonely track. All my worries of yesterday, I can't seem to get away.
We're practically at the summit now. Oh dear. There's a little plaque on the wall over here, it's quite interesting.
Hands it slipped away. We were never here to stay. We were so wild and free.
Views behind me are spectacular. Unfortunately, it's a bit misty and the camera isn't good enough. It hasn't got a good enough zoom function on it to show you all the detail, but it's fantastic. Got the Malvern Hills just over there, the Campton Hill sort of over there, and Cheltenham in between, and yeah, it's a glorious morning really. Mist coming in over there, looks absolutely fantastic. Wonder if there's some rain involved as well. Still, ooh.
Every night I spend with you.
So I'm going to walk here in lockdown, and I found some old stables that are all run down, small patch of ground, and it was up for sale. When I checked it out, it was offers in the region of $1 million. So.
We were so wild and free. We were just kids in love. I gave you the best of me, and all I was asking of you was to never break it.
The old stable still exists, because all this was totally overgrown here, and there was great big piles of stuff, old roofing sheets and bits of wood that had been dumped along here, and everything was just overgrown with brambles. You can see they've been doing a lot of groundwork.
You got me acting out. You, all tenderness is out the window. What you do to me when the cold bites blue is straight cruel. Oh, it has to be you leaving writings on the wall. You promised me roses and hungry haze.
We've had a little pit stop on the way to Moran's for a cup of tea, a toilet stop.
First time we've ever been in here, isn't it?
This is Ellenwood Star Centre, so they've got like a bistro place here. Lots of lovely looking cakes, but we're going to resist. We're just going to have a cup of tea and carry on with our walk.
I think Tracy's rather envious of the kitchen.
The place we just had our cup of tea at, the National Star Centre, I actually did work experience here years and years ago, and it's an amazing place. So it's a home for disabled people to enable them to be able to sort of fulfil future career paths, isn't it really? So in the actual kitchen, they do lots of rehabilitation work here. And in the kitchen, I believe the students actually grow the food for the kitchen, and they help train chefs
and they do like lots of different bistro evenings and stuff like that, and everything looked really good, didn't it? We didn't eat because we're going to go and eat in a minute down the Bath Road, but we'll have to come back because it's a great thing to support, isn't it? It's
definitely,
charity,
yeah.
and it's a really worthwhile thing to help, I think. It's really good.
Lovely cup of tea.
Very nice cup of tea, and the cakes did look very good. Home baked cakes.
That's the school there that we walked past earlier, and there's the new housing estate you can see. Don't like walking along this main road much.
Yeah, we've made it to Moran's, and it's raining as forecast, but it's not too bad.
No, how many miles did we do?
It's 6.5 miles.
6.5, and it's a couple to get home.
So
No.
we deserve dinner.
Yeah, we deserve dinner, yeah. Well, we've come to Cardiff today to see our son George. Say hi, George.
Hiya.
Hopefully we can see you. There's a little one in the back.
Wasting this time that I borrowed, running too fast for the sun, and my eyes they still burn for tomorrow. Ooh. When I come alive, I'm keeping up through lows and highs, and I see it. Why I'm alive, it's all for you. I'm keeping up through lows and highs, and I see it. Why I'm alive, it's all for you. Waiting for rains with color, like I have done since a child. And my eyes, they still burn for tomorrow. It might never come. I'm keeping up through lows and highs, and I see it. Why I'm alive, it's all for you. I'm keeping up through lows and highs, and I see it. Why I'm alive, it's all for you.
Oh no, I feel really bad.
Get maybe.
Yeah, like then I.
Nice.
Storms they come, they go.
nice.